In this short video, I'm going to show you how to export a complete graded sequence from Avid and import it into a full Baselight system. I'll then do some more work on it in the full Baselight system and finally re-export the grades back to Avid. This sort of workflow allows you to quickly set up a base grade or a rough look for a project and then hand it over to a colorist working in a dedicated grading suite to create the final look. You then have the option of creating deliverables from the Baselight system or coming back to Avid for the final deliverables. Okay, so first I simply export the sequence as an AAF file. The only settings I need to worry about are the video track selections, and also I don't want to copy the media, I just want to link to it. The Baselight system will either be able to access the same storage or have copies of the master footage on its own drives. Now I open a new empty scene in Baselight and select the AAF file to import. During the conform, Baselight will scan the footage in the selected directory and match it up to the events in the AAF using the Avid UIDs. To import the Baselight grades, which are embedded in the AAF, I enable this option here. Now that the conform is complete, you can see that the grade layers I added in the Avid system have been converted into grade layers in the Baselight timeline. Everything has been imported exactly as it was in the Avid, including all mats, shapes, trackers, and so on. Just to give you an example, I'm going to select these 4 shots and modify the grade on them together as a group. Grouped grading is one of the many powerful features which is only available in the full Baselight system. These shots are actually composited with other layers. So for now, I'm going to ignore those other layers and just modify the grade on the main layer. Okay, I've changed the grade, so now let's send it back to Avid. I select Update Avid AAF with Baselight Grades from the EDL export menu, and Baselight reads back in the original AAF file and updates all the grade information. Now I simply return to Avid and import that new AAF. There we go. Those shots are now changed in the master edit, and because no media was transferred or rendered, the process is fast and completely non-destructive. And in fact I still have the original grades in my old sequence if I want to revert anything back to the way it was.